Books improve vocabulary, and keywords and synonyms improve IELTS reading scores. Hi, my name is Daman Preet Singh, and you are watching BrainEdge. So let's quickly jump on to today's session of IELTS readings, especially the fill-ups. Let's begin. So hi, let's begin with the reading session. Okay, you can pause the video if you want to look at the paragraph. So it has almost 5 questions, and we'll check them out that what is the answer for the questions. Okay, I hope might have paused the video. So let's begin. Again, we will be looking at two things, keywords and synonyms. Let's find out. Fill-ups are not that tricky in IELTS reading also, and they're very easy to find out. Let's see the easy method. Again, just look at firstly the keyword, then we will look at the synonyms. Okay, consumers often complain that they experience a feeling of dash. Consumers often complain, right? So instructions accompanying do-it-yourself products are regularly cited as complain, cited. This is a synonym. Often, synonym of often is regularly, right? That they experience a feeling of so this is the answer. We have got the answer because this is the statement what I've told before also. I have told earlier that whenever you find a keyword, lock the sentence. So if you find a keyword or synonym, lock the sentence. So this is your sentence. So in this sentence, you will be getting your answer. Let's see. So they experience a feeling of. So the answer can be this or this, because there are two answers, or this or. So they experience a feeling of. So is expense a feeling? No. Frustration is a feeling, it's an emotion. So they experience as a source of feeling of. So a feeling is linked to the source, and so feeling is always a frustration. So the answer for this is your frustration. Fine. This is the answer for fill-up number 1. Let's see. When trying to put together, so this is your fill-up. Let me mark this. Okay, this is your fill-up. When trying to put together do-it-yourself products which have not been tested by companies on a dash. So this is a good keyword. Again, I'm telling you, look at the keyword. When you find a keyword in the sentence, lock the sentence, then go to full stop to full stop, you'll be getting your answer. Do it yourself. Let's see if is there anything about do it yourself of essential. Okay. Tested by. This is do it yourself. That means the answer can be in the same statement, or if the answer is tough, you can look the same statement, previous statement, and the next statement. Okay. When trying to put together do-it-yourself products which have not been tested by. Tested by. This is tested word. This is a test. Few companies. This is a keyword. Then again, this is companies. So this can be the statement that this can be the statement for answer number 2. A few companies seem to test their instructions by having them followed by a first-time user. Tested by, followed by. Companies is here and companies is here. This is an active passive sentence, right? So the answer for this is first time. I'll mark this first time. So this is the answer. If any doubt, you can pause the video to look at the fill up. And if you still feel that you are not clear with the answer, drop your comments in the comment section and we'll discuss them later on also. Okay, now we are done with the two sentences, two fill-ups. Let's begin with the next fill-up. Okay, in situations where not keeping the correct procedures could affect safety issues, it is especially important that dash information is not left out. Information. Okay, information. Let's see. Information. Information. Important information. Important means essential. Important means essential. Is not left out. Not left out means it is taken away. It is removed. So not left out is omitted. Left out means omitted. Often essential is information. So that what it is especially important that dash information is not left out. So what can be the answer? Steps in construction process are taken for granted and some degree of special knowledge is assumed. So the answer lies here. So it is important that essential, because this is taken for granted. So make sure this is not left out. The answer is essential. This is your answer for fill up number 3. And I think we have got one more answer. A very important answer. And no assumptions are made out about a stage being self-evident or the consumer having a certain amount of. Consumer having a certain amount of. Certain amount. Certain. This is certain. This is certain. Certain means some. Little bit. Amount. Degree. Okay, this is especially worrying in any fields where failure to follow correct procedures can be dangerous. So assumptions. So it is a very simple answer. Some degree of dash. This can be one word also. So what we will do, we will mark this special knowledge, certain amount of knowledge. So this is your answer, knowledge. Again, look at keywords, look at synonyms, match the sentences, log the statement. Whenever you find a keyword, log the statement. Okay, now this is about lawyers. Lawyers is a good keyword. Let's see where's lawyers. Lawyers, however, have raised objections to the use of plain English. They feel that it would, okay, they feel that, just a second. They feel that it would result in ambiguity in documents and causes people to lose faith in. Lose faith means they will not be having trust or, so let's see, lose faith in lose faith. Faith means your trust, your confidence. So this is faith and confidence. The answer is legal formulations. This is your answer for fill-up number 5. So this was a very short video about how to track your fill-ups. Again, very easy ones. Fill-ups, generally you get your fill-up answer of fill-ups in single lines, keywords and synonyms. So this was the video. Thank you very much. So see, this was a good topic of IELTS reading of fill-ups. It was having 5 fill-ups. Have you seen something? Every fill-up had two things in common: keywords and synonyms. Every reading question will be having the exact number of keywords and synonyms. Not exact number, but they will be having two to three exact same replicas of the words which are in the reading uh, compared to the questions. I hope you have liked this video, and stay tuned for more updates. We will be covering the whole series of the episodes, the series of episodes, and we'll jump to other sections also of your listening, your writing, and your speakings also. So if you like the channel, please subscribe, share with your friends, and do check out us on our social platforms. So this is Daman Preet Singh signing off. Thank you very much.